Hey friends, welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make shrimp ceviche, and I'm using prawns, and I'll show you how to clean it up and everything. And here are the ingredients that you need. Okay, so you'll need about 1 to 2 pounds of prawns or shrimp. If you have it, if you can get it deheaded, deveined, that'd be easier for you. About 1 cup of sugar, some culantro or any kind of mints that you prefer. I have about 10 garlic cloves and about 6 chilies. The chili depends on how much spice you can tolerate. I have fish sauce here, and I have lemons because I normally use lime, but they didn't have any that were juicy, so I'm going to use lemon today, and some salt, and a mortar and pestle. So let's get started. So right now we're going to deshell, devein the prawns, and I always have a waste bucket here because it makes it easier. And we want to get a knife. You want to have a little knife to devein. So with clean hands, I just, like, if you want, you can save the shells and the prawn head for cooking soup broth for later, for another time. But I usually just do this. Okay guys, so I peeled and I deveined my prawns right here. So I'm going to show you how to devein them. Let me see, I'm trying to situate myself. So if you're making it for yourself, you can just pull the tail off. But if you're making it for like guests, you want to leave the tail on. It just makes it look more pretty and presentable. So you deshell everything else except for the tail part. Do you guys see that? And then you're gonna butterfly the prawn. So be careful with this knife. You're gonna carefully slice it down the middle. Now you can buy the shrimps that are already peeled and deveined. That would help the process. But I just bought the prawns. And I have a napkin here. And I just take the poopies out. That's what they are. And then you want to butterfly it so it spreads out like this. So it lays flat on your plate, this, okay? Then you want to rinse your prawn. So here you guys, I'm going to show you how to plate up your prawns. So you just want to lay them down like this. Start from the outer rim. So your tail end should hit this end of the plate as a guide. And once that is done, you can start layering them in if you have more. Just to fill in this circle right here. You guys, when you make this, it's going to be so addictive. And then it's like drinking food, you know? Have it with some Coronas, tequila. It's going to be all good. See? So fill it like that. And so once you prepare the shrimp on the platter, you want to take a lemon or a lime, and what I like to do is I like to squeeze the juice of the lemon and soak it so that way it cooks the shrimp. Don't want to put seeds on there. Yeah, it's so juicy. Oh look, I got some seeds on there. It's okay, I'll pick it off. So yeah, so 1 lemon or lime, and what you want to do, pick your seeds off. I can't get it. Okay. Now, you want to saran wrap it, right? And put it in the fridge. So in the freezer, I would put it in the freezer for probably about 30 minutes. Okay, and now we're going to prepare the sauce. I squeezed the juice of 5 lemons here, and now we're going to pound the chili peppers and the garlic together. And you want to take the stems off of this. Okay, put that in there. And then your garlic. You just want to pound it. So you want to get your chili pepper and your garlic to this kind of consistency. Hopefully you guys can see that. Then you want to scoop it out. You want to scoop it out and put it in your lemon juice. Now you guys want to add your sugar. I like mine on the sweeter side, so I'm going to start off with, let's see, 3 big heaping spoons of sugar. And I'm going to add some fish sauce. Let's start with 2 tablespoons. Mix it all together. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my God. Let me taste this. Spicy. I think I want more sugar. Maybe another teaspoon of sugar. Okay. You guys, I'm salivating. Rinse this off. I think maybe another tablespoon of fish sauce. Sorry. Okay. Let's taste this again. I wanted more sugar. 2 tablespoons. I like it sweet, you guys. I like my sauce on the sweeter side. It just tastes better. It's perfect. That's yummy! Okay guys, so now we're gonna cut and mince this along culantro. We're gonna rinse it and then cut this part off. And I like to stack it. And you want to cut it fine, you know, because you're putting it on top of this. Okay guys, so I took the shrimp out of the refrigerator, and it should look like this. It should look like this. As you can see, it's like white. It's because the lemon citrus cooked the shrimp. So stir up your sauce and just layer it in there. Then generously toss on all your culantro. I love it with a lot of mince. It's so good. And it's done. The dish is done. Your friends are gonna love it. Your family's gonna love it. If you guys like ceviche, so hopefully you enjoyed it too. I'm gonna taste it. So how I like to eat it is I'll take one, right? And you want to make sure you get a lot of mince on there. And I just like roll it up. That. Really? It's so good. This would be good with tequila or a beer, however you like it, but bite size. It's so satisfying. One more. See, and after you can bite it and then pull the tail off, but You guys, please let me know if you guys make this and tag me on my Instagram. I'll put it in the description below. We'll love to see if you guys made this, okay? Thank you guys for watching. If you liked, please subscribe, like the video. It helps me out. Thank you guys so much and have a great